guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly convert your image file into a PDF file on your Android phone without using any extra third-party app. So as you can see guys, I have some images, so just I want to convert any of them into a PDF file. So just open the image file and here click on three dots in the image file, and here you can get the option print. Just tap on it. Okay, after these guys, here you can get the drop down icon in the top right side corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and from here you need to select download PDF icon, yellow color. Okay, just tap on it. Now it will ask you to select the file location where you want to save. Just select the location, tap on save. That's it. Now let's see the file was converted to PDF or not. Let's check it out. Open the file manager, go to documents, and here you can get your PDF file document. As you can see guys, now our image file was successfully converted into PDF file without using any extra app. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method to do this. So that's all guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.